Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Cosori air fryer toaster oven and the air fryer. We will evaluate these products in different categories and help you find the perfect air fryer for your needs. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven is priced at $149, while the air fryer is priced at $67, making it more affordable for those on a budget. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven has a larger 26-quart capacity and can fit up to 6 slices of bread or even a 5-pound whole chicken. Meanwhile, the air fryer's 4-quart capacity is suitable for serving 2 to 4 people. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven offers over 12 functions for air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and more. The air fryer, on the other hand, features 9 preset modes, including fries, chicken, steak, dessert, seafood, bacon, veggies, dehydrate, and preheat. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven allows hands-free control with a VSync app or voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The air fryer, on the other hand, has an intelligent shake function, which reminds you to shake your food for cooking it more evenly and crispy textures. Both air fryers are designed to be easy to clean. The Cosori air fryer toaster oven comes with an external removable crumb tray to prevent the backflow of soup from dirtying the bottom, while the air fryer has a removable non-stick basket that is dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching our comparison video between the Cosori air fryer toaster oven and the air fryer. After evaluating these products in different categories, we hope we have assisted you in your decision-making process of selecting the right air fryer for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.